Hello YouTubers, this is Danger Spice and so and Tonight Tail. Anyway, this is going to be an unboxing and setup of my new micro in the Innovations Elite keyboard. It's a new keyboard, because as you may notice, my keys have basically went to the spits. My A is gone. My W is missing. Can't make this brighter, can I? I have to get a flashlight. I'm going to be using this to go behind the computer. Oh, isn't this just nice? It died! Now let's see. There we go. Let me see what. Now, let's see, you can see it better probably. You can see if some of my keys are actually missing. And some of the white paint came off of them. Mainly the ones on this end. So I got a new one. So I guess let's go. I have everything I need. Flashlight. Keyboard. Pop this. I'm watching some prison movie. Some guy's reviving a mouse. I don't know what it's called. But it looks awesome. Down for 10 seconds. Oh wow, I'll just slide it out this way. And here's the cord. It is a USB mouse. I mean, keyboard. Okay, and here we go. What else is in here? Got the strap. Hopefully this is return. Here's the CD. That's it. Pack it. Okay, here it is. Nice and fancy schmancy it is. Looks very nice. Nice and clean, nice and clean. And it even has a little shiny logo over here on the end. Yeah. It's nice. And it has hotkeys for everything. So you can program all my stuff, which is actually pretty nice. Then we have the CD. So before I install this or do anything, I'm going to read the instructions first, and I'll be back. Okay, well, it's come to my attention this is going to be a two-parter, which is alright. Because I could also throw in a review on the second part. Hi, asshole. Look what I said on to this. Okay. Now I'm going to minimize IRC. Neo Silicon. Jet audio, you need to go there. you already have the most recent version installed on your system. What I'm actually going to do is restart the computer. I don't like the way my background's looking. My Wii's are gone. Yes, restart. Okay. Let's look at this new keyboard. Yeah, see the lights are dimmer on that one. The num lock is automatically on. There's your shit. It's gonna be weird. I wonder if I'm gonna actually do something. I'm gonna lift them up because I have a bar underneath my desk that's being uber annoying. Oh, and it's slim enough to fit underneath with the keys raised, which makes this an uber keyboard. Alright, I like it. Has rubbers. That sounds so wrong. And here's the keys that I was showing you before. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this away. You can watch as I do that. Into the box. Happens in kinda TV. And you're gonna watch as I try to fit this back into the box. Pour underneath the bed. And then we will begin part 2, which will be the installation and review of this keyboard. There we go. And there we go. Dell keyboard in. There it goes. Okay, and that's it for part 1. See you in the review.